Hi, I am Dr. Vijay Anand, consultant orthopedic surgeon specialized in joint replacement arthroscopic surgeries at Ravani Hospital, Tanjavur. I would like to give a talk on arthritis, especially osteoarthritis of the knee joint and the surgical procedure total knee replacement. What is arthritis? Arthritis is defined as the inflammation of any joint. Osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis that occur in the elderly population. It is not a disease at all. It is age-related disorder. Osteoarthritis is nothing but wearing away of the articular surface. You see here, this is the model of the knee joint, where this is the thigh bone and this is the leg bone, this is the kneecap. What we see here is the smooth glistening surface, the joint surface. It is called articular cartilage. This articular cartilage imparts frictionless and smooth painless movement to the joint. Due to aging, when this articular cartilage is thinned out and the lubrication fluid, which is synovial fluid, gets decreased, so the articular surface becomes uneven or eroded. These rough surfaces, when they hitch against each other, when the patient is standing or weight bearing, causes severe pain, and this excruciating pain is the one which is more disabling for the patient. The patient comes to us with severe symptoms like severe pain over the knee joint while doing activities like sitting, climbing stairs, squatting and walking on the uneven surfaces. So what we do for this type of symptoms? We gauge the arthritis into 4 stages by means of taking X-ray. There are early 4 stages of arthritis. The early stage, we administer patients into conservative treatment. That is, not all the patient goes for surgery. The early stage arthritis like stage 1 and stage 2, we administer medicine, joint protective drugs. We advise them to do specific physical therapy like quadriceps strengthening exercise and lifestyle modifications like avoiding squatting, climbing stairs and walking on uneven surfaces. But those patients who have severe damage to the knee joint, like in the stage 4, won't get benefited out of these medications and exercises. So we bring them to these patients are the one who are ideal for joint replacement surgery. That is called total knee replacement. What is total knee replacement? To put it in a simple term, in total knee replacement, we surgically resect the eroded and roughened surface, articular surface of the knee joint under anesthesia, and we replace this area with metallic joints, or which is called metallic prosthesis, which is separated by a plastic or polyethylene in between. This construct, which looks like a normal knee joint, produces painless movement as it of any natural joint. So this surgery is relatively safe and it has very good functional outcome. The patient satisfaction score is very high for this total knee replacement. So the patient can walk immediately after the surgery. The next day after surgery, the patient is allowed to walk with the walker or the support. We have a specialized team of physiotherapists to deal with this post-operative rehabilitation. And once the patient, after a month, the patient is able to walk without any aids or any crutches, and they can walk and they can do all the necessary daily activities without difficulty. So most of the osteoarthritis will present on both the sides of the knee. And if the patient is having severe osteoarthritis on both the sides, or right and left knee joints, we used to do bilateral knee replacement in a phased manner, that is one knee at a time and the other knee in a span of 5 to 7 days, so that the post-operative rehabilitation will be very quick and comfortable for the patient. So even in spite of such a rewarding surgery, there are a lot of misconceptions regarding this total knee replacement among the general public. More questions are raised regarding infection, worsening of the knee symptoms like pain and more disability after the surgery, but these are not true. Once the patient is getting operated in a specialized centers like ours with a specialized team of doctors comprising skilled orthopedic surgeon, anesthetist and efficient OT professionals, the complications can be obviated. So by adhering to proper preoperative workup proper surgical aseptic techniques and adequate antibiotic coverage, the infection rate with us is nearly zero. So this is the surgery where we usually operate on the patients of around 60s or 70s of age, and the implant lasts for nearly 15 years. So after the surgery, the quality of their life dramatically improves and they become very confident and independent, and no more a burden to the family and the society. So with this, I like to conclude my talk saying, movement is life. Give the elderly a pain-free knee, an active movement, making them independent and ambulant. Thank you.